Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into a Form 8K filing from First Guaranty Bankshares. It might sound like a snooze fest, but trust me, there's always something interesting hiding in these reports, even if it's just a little personnel change. It's like watching a small town drama, but with bigger numbers. Let's see what First Guaranty is up to. This report is dated March 2025, so it's relatively recent. It's called a current report, which means it's about something that just happened and is considered important enough to tell investors right away. First Guaranty Bankshares Inc., that's the company we are focusing on today. They are based out of Louisiana. It's important to know who we are talking about. They have two types of securities or ways to invest in the company registered. One is their common stock, which trades under the ticker symbol FGBI. And the other is something called depository shares, which represent a portion of preferred stock, trading under FGBIP. Both are listed on the Nasdaq stock market. This means they're a publicly traded company subject to certain rules and regulations. Okay, the main event seems to be about a change in leadership, specifically the election of a new director. The report tells us that Mr. Robert W. Walker was elected to the board of directors for both First Guaranty Bankshares and First Guaranty Bank on March 28, 2025. Think of the board of directors as the group of people who make the big decisions for the company. Adding a new member is kind of like adding a new player to a sports team. It mentions that Mr. Walker hasn't been assigned to any specific committees yet. These committees are like smaller groups within the board that focus on specific areas like finances or risk management. It sounds like they're just getting him settled in. The filing also states that Mr. Walker isn't involved in any deals with First Guaranty or First Guaranty Bank that would need to be disclosed under SEC rules. This basically means there are no known conflicts of interest. The report highlights Mr. Walker's previous role as the President and Chief Executive Officer of Premier Financial Bancorp Inc. from 2001 until they were sold in 2021. So he brings a lot of experience to the table, especially in running a financial institution. This is a clue that he might be able to bring some valuable insights to the company because he has experience XE. Now let's step back and look at what this all means. First Guaranty Bankshares is adding a seasoned executive to their board of directors. Robert Walker's experience as a former CEO of a financial institution could bring valuable perspectives on strategy, risk management, and growth. The company is basically adding a new brain with prior real-life skills that are useful. The fact that Mr. Walker isn't immediately assigned to any committees could suggest that the company wants to get him familiar with the current operations before giving him specific responsibilities. Or maybe they haven't figured out where he'll be most useful yet. The statement that there are no conflicts of interest is standard but important. It shows that they've done their due diligence and are being transparent with investors. Overall, this 8K filing seems to be about a routine but potentially positive change in leadership. Adding an experienced director like Mr. Walker could be a good move for First Guaranty, especially in today's complex financial environment. So what's my take on First Guaranty's direction? They seem to be making smart moves to strengthen their leadership team. However, like any financial institution, they face risks from the overall economy, interest rate changes, and increasing regulations. It's important for them to balance growth with risk management. The addition of Mr. Walker might hint that they are looking to grow and expand. First Guaranty is a smaller bank and has some challenges, but is definitely worth watching. Are they a strong buy? Not yet. But keep an eye on how Mr. Walker's addition impacts their performance in the coming years. Thanks for watching Corporate Decoder. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of corporate filings. Let me know in the comments which company you'd like me to decode next.